Hi guys, Ramzan here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can integrate PayPal smart buttons into your Shopify store. This video is specific for craft theme. If you have any other theme, then you can explore shopwebsitecodes.com, and there I have already published different codes with different themes. Now the first step is like you should download the code. I have already added the link below in the description. So once you are downloading the code, then you will be finding these 4 files. So the first thing is like go open this documentation.txt. Inside of it, I have already mentioned all the steps which we are going to follow in this video. So the first step is like go to dashboard of the Shopify store. So here you can see that this is the dashboard of the store, and here you can see I have already installed craft theme. Click on these 3 dots and click on duplicate. So in that way you will later on able to restore the old version if you have any problem with this. And again you should click on these 3 dots, click on edit code, and here we have some folders and files. According to the first step, we need to click on themes, click on edit code, and click on snippets. So here we have snippets. Then after you should move ahead with the second step, which is create new snippet PayPal-smart-buttons. Just copy this name and click on add a new snippet and paste it right here and click on done. So in that way you will able to create a new empty file, and then you should paste the attached code inside of this new snippet. So here we have PayPal with credit card. So you should copy this complete code and paste it inside of this empty file, and then you should click on save. So once the changes are saved, then you should move ahead with the third step, which is open sections. Click on main-cart-footer.liquid. So here in the sections folder, we have to scroll it down. We have main-cart-footer.liquid, and inside of it we have to find this div element, which is id equals to cart-errors. So maybe you should scroll it down, and down below you will be finding line number 104. So this is the line of code which I was just saying, and just above it we are going to paste a new line of code, which is this one. So just copy this exact line of code and paste it right here. So once you are hovering over it, then it will show a small arrow that is just proving a point that the snippet which we have created just now is valid, and then click on save the changes. Now the fifth step is like add your live client ID of PayPal in line number 8. So open this PayPal-smart-buttons.liquid, and in line number 8 we have added live client ID of our PayPal. So actually I have added the sandbox client ID, but you have to put it here live PayPal client ID. I will be adding the video link below in the description. You just need to follow that video, which is for the 1 minute only, and copy that client ID and paste it right here. So make sure it should be surrounded with the double quotes, the ID which you will be pasting here. And then you can also change the currency if you want. I have added US dollars. If you want to put it like euros, so you should write EUR or maybe any other currency. Now the next step is go to themes, click on customize, click on settings, and click on cart. So I am going to the dashboard again, and here you will be finding a button of customize. Click on it and click on settings. Scroll it down, click on cart, and here you will be seeing a drop down. So inside of this drop down, make sure to choose page or maybe pop-up notification, and I am selecting page. Then click on save the changes. Then after, the next step is go to assets, open cart.js, and find below line of code. So actually we need to find this line of code from cart.js. So here in the code we are again going to assets, scroll it down, and here we have code.js. Open it up, and using Control F or maybe Command F, you should find this line of code, and this will be automatically highlighted. Just below it we are going to paste a new line of code, which is this one. Actually this is a function call which we are going to put here, and then click on save the changes. So once you are done, then you need to test it. Click on preview store, click on catalog, and here we have some products. For example, I am interested to buy this product, and click on add to cart, and here we go. Now you can see that we have 2 products. One product was added earlier, and now I have added one more product. So let's make sure that this is working fine or not. Click on PayPal, and I have already signed in with the sandbox. So I have this sandbox credentials. So here you can see that we have price. If you are clicking over it, then we can see that we have one product of woman undershirt and one winter sweater, and this is the total price. So for say example, we are interested to make this sweater twice, I mean 2 quantity, and let's see its price is correct or not, because in my old code this was the problem which I have solved in this video. So if you are clicking on it, then you can see that 2 winter sweater and 1 woman undershirt. So price is also updated. That means this is working fine. So your customer needs debit or credit card button also. So if you are clicking on it, you will be finding a form where the customer can enter their card details, billing address and shipping address, and then click on pay to do the payment for the product. So if a customer don't have any PayPal account, then he or she can directly buy using this debit or credit card button. All right. So next thing is like sometimes customers are thinking like we don't need this checkout button. So how we can remove this? So again, you should go to this customize section. And for example, I am selecting this catalog, and here we have like this product. For example, I am clicking on add to cart and it will be redirecting me to the cart page. So here is this section. Here you can see that checkout button. We are not interested to put it here. So let's click on I button and let's click on save the changes. So the checkout button will automatically be hidden and the PayPal button will appear only. So another thing is like sometimes people are not interested to keep this yellow button. They are only interested to put debit or credit card button. So for that, I have already given the solution, which is I have added one more file which is only credit card. So just copy this complete code and paste it in place of this complete code. So I have pasted that code, click on save the changes. And for example, I am refreshing the page again. Now you can see that all the things are removed, only debit or credit card button is appearing here. So for example, I am interested to put both these buttons, so you need to undo the changes. So I have undone the changes, click on save and then refresh this page again. Now PayPal button and debit or credit card button both are appearing. And for example, I am interested to inspect it and see its mobile view. So this is how it is looking. All right. So maybe if you are interested to add to cart more products, so you can do it like that. For example, this is blue. So you can see that both these products are added to the cart. So now if I'm selecting this PayPal button, so automatically the price will be updated. Here we go. Now you can see that we have different prices, and if you are increasing the quantity, automatically the price will be updated here. Here we go. Now you can see that we have 2 new t-shirts and 1 winter sweater. And another thing is like, for example, you are interested to remove this product, and then let's select this PayPal button. Here we go. Now you can see that we have only 2 new t-shirts with blue variant, and that's it. So this is how you can actually integrate the PayPal smart buttons into your Shopify store. If you are thinking this video was useful, then please like this video, also subscribe this channel. Thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.